Hi guys, I am here. I'm just finished my breakfast with my family. As you can see, it's very cold. We can tell it. As you can see, it is cold today. And it's breezy. The wind is breezy, guys. Just to pack up my food, and that is what's going on here. I will go home now because it's cold outside.